Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, I want to do a Groovefunnels review, meaning the current state of Groovefunnels as it stands right now, September 2nd, 2020, and just walk through some of the components as well as talk about is it actually worth the investment and show you what I think and show you some of the results that I have gotten since I actually invested in Groovefunnels back in May 2019. So to do that, we're going to jump into the computer. I'm going to show you inside of Groovefunnels, both my paid account and a free account that I have, and then show you a few things that I've actually done with Groovefunnels and some money I've made since I made the investment. Again, I invested in May 2019. This is September 2nd, 2020. So here we are inside of Groovefunnels, and of course right now Groovefunnels is GroovePages, GrooveSell, GrooveAffiliate, GrooveVideo, GrooveMember, and GrooveMail. Again, is coming out later this month in September. It is currently not out yet. So let me just show you some of the things that I've done inside of GroovePages, just as one of the ways, one of the things that I'm doing. And really, in my opinion right now, the only thing that I can use in my business is GroovePages inside of Groovefunnels. I'm patiently waiting for the potential of Groovefunnels and the other apps inside of Groovefunnels to come to the point where I can use them successfully in my business. And that includes looking for opportunities for the place to use those in my business. So I found that in GroovePages, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. So here you can see one of my sites is puzzlewordlist.com. Now what this is a fully functional membership sales page site. So you can see here I've connected this to Warrior Plus, and I'm going to show you inside my Warrior Plus account and show you some of the money I've made using GroovePages specifically, because I have this membership. Again, this is a sales page that I host here inside of GroovePages, but I do link it to Warrior Plus for the actual sales marketplace. I don't use GrooveSell, I use Warrior Plus, but that has more to do with the business side of it and the affiliates that are already on Warrior Plus versus the ones that I could use on GrooveSell or get to move over to GrooveSell. Because there's no marketplace yet, it would just be an independent, standalone affiliate program that I would have to run on my own. So I do use GroovePages for this membership site for the sales page. Okay, so you can see that one right there. Then you can see some other templates here that I use in my PLR business. Also, I use this for bonus pages. Again, the majority of the stuff is on Warrior Plus. Here's one for Sushi Loco coloring book or coloring images. And this is a bonus page right here. This is a template that I've used successfully in quite a few affiliate promotions over at Warrior Plus. And again, here at the end of the video, I'm going to show you inside my Warrior Plus account so you can see the money that I've made using these pages from GroovePages. Again, showing you that I've successfully been able to use GroovePages, an app inside of Groovefunnels, successfully in my business. So again, here's just a sample of the page that I use. This is a standalone page, a bonus page. I also deliver the bonuses on a separate page, which looks very similar to this, but it's just an embedded YouTube video as well as a link to the actual affiliate offer. And I link these from inside of my Facebook group, on my YouTube channel, as well as in my email. So you can see that this is part of the way that I'm using Groovefunnels and specifically GroovePages inside of my account to actually make money in my business. Again, Groovefunnels is currently GroovePages, GrooveSell, GrooveAffiliate, GrooveVideo, GrooveMember with GrooveMail coming out later this month. Again, this is September 2nd, 2020, and I'm walking you through a actual real review of what is available inside of Groovefunnels. So if you go inside of GrooveSell, it's fully functional. It has a nice interface for reporting. You can configure products here and create actual funnels. It is limited. It is not equal to ThriveCart. It is not equal to SamCart. It is not equal to Pay Kickstart. There is no marketplace behind it yet. Okay? The affiliate program, when you click over, the main use or the only use that I have for this currently is actually as an affiliate of Groovefunnels. So that's fully operational, and they have full reporting in here. So if you click on the reporting, you can see actual transactions here. You can see transactions that are occurring as people sign up for free accounts, and then if they upgrade, you can see all those statistics inside of here to include sub-affiliates as well as earning reports. So again, fully functional inside of Groovefunnels. And then you can go down to GrooveVideo, again, inside of your paid account. You have the ability to actually host and encode the videos right here. I don't currently have any. I have some over my free account that I've played around with. I just don't have any use case for this in my business yet. But again, I invested in May 2019 and I'm waiting patiently for the full potential and the integration to actually occur when GrooveMail comes out. And then they have the ability to integrate GrooveMember, GrooveVideo, GrooveSell, as well as GroovePages, and actually build out a full funnel with my own product or an affiliate promotion using these tools as well, and work them all into my business and get that deep integration that all these products are going to have. That is coming in the future, because at the end of the day, this is a beta system. Even though currently at this stage, GroovePages and GrooveSell have technically come out of beta, but still the system is being actively developed, and we are all testers as beta backers, and that's just one of the things you have to realize. So when I promote it and I tell you that you can get a free account to Groovefunnels, the link in the description, I say that knowing that you will have to log into the system, test it, and find the places where you can use the free version of Groovefunnels, which is going to be GroovePages and GrooveSell and GrooveVideo in your business. That's part of what you're doing when you join the community. That's my opinion, and that's my stance on Groovefunnels, and the fact that when I do a review or when I show you how something works here on the channel, when I was specifically talking about an app inside of Groovefunnels, I am showing you what it currently is as of the time I make this video, and I'm telling you that it has potential, or I see potential in this platform, and that's the reason I backed it. Again, you can see my bonus page here for some of the products I've done on Warrior Plus, as well as a full sales page that I use to actually make sales over on Warrior Plus for my puzzlewordlist.com database, which is a membership inside the low content niche that I actively sell memberships to. So you can see those are my two examples. Now let's hop over to Warrior Plus and I'll show you some of the money that I've actually made this month and last month. So here we are inside of Warrior Plus. I'll go ahead and refresh this page, and you can see that today I made $5. Again, that's $5 from the membership of the membership site that I just showed you. You can see yesterday, $46.36. Over the last 30 days, $911.89. And last month, that being August 2020, because again, this is September 2nd, 2020 when I'm shooting this video, $885.53. Again, all utilizing GroovePages for my membership site as well as my bonus pages. So that's how I'm effectively using Groovefunnels in my business, taking the pieces that work inside of the beta system, or again, inside of the system as a whole, the pieces that have actually come out of beta but are still overall in a beta system that is being developed that has potential. So you can see right there from this example, I've more than made my money back from my original investment in May 2019, and I think you can do the same even with the new prices, which I'm going to show you now. When you actually get your free account, again, link in the description, and you hit that upgrade button, I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like right now. So when you get your free account and you log in, you'll have access to GroovePages, GrooveSell, GrooveAffiliate, and GrooveVideo. Of course, if you want GrooveMember, you will need to upgrade to Pro. And when you click that Upgrade to Pro button, what you're going to see is this page right here where you can still access lifetime access right now. So when you click to see all the awesome upgrades, you're going to see the actual sales page, which is going to look very similar to this depending on when you click on that button. You're going to see that the lifetime offer is only guaranteed once you open the page, and they have a countdown timer. Now, it might be here tomorrow or the next day, but there's no guarantees, and you're going to be able to scroll down through here, and you're going to be able to see all the plans, the price that they're going to be at, $99, $199, and then you're going to have the ability to get the lifetime access right here. As you scroll down, you're going to see all the details, and you need to make sure that you go through this and you understand where this system is. Again, being in beta, what's to come. Take a look at the all-in-one business software development timeline. Make sure you understand that this timeline is a suggestion and they're working towards these dates, but sometimes they have not met those dates, but they are actively working. They're actively engaged in the Facebook group as well as with support. And you can see the current phases. Again, as of August 1st, 2020, GrooveMail, GrooveMember, and GrooveVideo were slated to be released. They currently are released. GrooveMember, and GrooveVideo. GrooveMail has not been released yet. GroovePages, GrooveSell, GrooveAffiliate, technically came out of beta, but again, the system as a whole is in beta, so you have to realize that before you make your investment. My advice is grab that free account, link in the description, test it out, see if you can find places to put it in your business, see how it works out in your business, just like I've shown you here, the real world examples that I've used in my business with my Warrior Plus products as well as my Warrior Plus affiliate promotions. You can see the money I've made, so I've more than made my money back in my investment, my original investment in May 2019. And you can see phase 3, Groove Blog, Groove Calendar, Groove Desk, Groove Quiz, and Groove Survey. So those things are coming. And you can see right here, you also can upgrade your percentage as an affiliate, and all the things you're going to get here. And you're going to see that compared with other softwares, the prices you have to pay. Again, don't compare apples to apples. Don't think you're going to get everything inside of Groovefunnels that's currently inside of GroovePages. They are not equal. GroovePages is still actively being developed, and all the bells and whistles are coming, and they will be greater than what's in ClickFunnels, or that is the potential that it has. That is what they're selling you on, again, for a one-time price as a beta backer to the system. Again, GrooveSell currently doesn't compare to SamCart. Groove Affiliate doesn't currently compare to Tap Affiliate. GrooveMail is not even released. So again, you're backing it for the potential. And then all the other products here that are coming in phase 2 and phase 3. And you're going to get all that right now. Again, September 2nd, 2020, current price $1,897. Again, upgraded lifetime platinum. You're going to get access as a beta backer to join the community, build it, find the places you can use it in your business, actively use it, and even promote the tool if it satisfies the needs in your business. So again, grab your free account, link in the description, tons of potential. Log into the system. Let me know in this video right here in the comments what you're using, how you're using it, the frustrations you have, the success stories, anything that you're doing right now with Groovefunnels. That's the whole point of this, is to actually invest for the potential and see if you can use it in your business, just like the way I've showed you here that I'm currently using it in mine. And with that, give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.